Hello friends! Equipped with a 2.5 turbo diesel with an index 4D56 with a return of 136 and 178 horsepower. The 178 horsepower version of the Mitsubishi L200 has been available from dealers since 2014. There are also gasoline versions on the market, but there are few of them and they are all imported. The gas distribution mechanism is driven by toothed belts. One connects the camshaft and crankshaft, and the other connects the balancing shaft. Belts should be updated every 60,000 kilometers. In practice, there are known cases of breakage of the balance shaft belt, lumps falling under the timing belt with its subsequent jump or break, and as a result, engine failure. In addition to the poor quality of the balancer shaft belt or its untimely replacement, the breakage was caused by oil getting onto the belt due to the current crankshaft oil seal. Among the possible reasons is a violation of the technology for replacing the balancing shaft belt, pulling. Mechanics recommend using a non-standard curtain, a metal shield that protects the belts from each other. The shield prevents lumps from getting under the timing belt in the event of a break in the balancer shaft belt. Unfortunately, diesel engines are prone to overheating. This can lead to a breakdown of the gasket under the cylinder head, deformation of the cylinder head, or even an overhaul of the engine. In 2014, Mitsubishi took a number of measures to reduce the risk of boiling, increasing the opening pressure of the radiator cap valve, updated the engine management program, and changed the processing technology of the cylinder block. A failed thermostat can also contribute to overheating. Interruptions in engine operation after 200,000 kilometers are usually caused by a malfunction of the fuel injectors or the injection pump valve. And problems with starting in cold weather are usually caused by an exhausted resource of glow plugs. Initially, a 4-speed automatic was available for a surcharge. It greatly slows down the pickup truck and increases fuel consumption. Fans of automatic transmissions should take a closer look at the more powerful version, 178 horsepower, with a 5-speed automatic transmission. True, there are few such versions on the market. Both machines are quite reliable and hardy. Interruptions in the automatic transmission may occur due to a faulty inhibitor or damaged wiring. No complaints and a manual transmission, and the clutch usually runs at least 150,000 kilometers. A huge advantage of the Mitsubishi L200 is the presence of permanent all-wheel drive with a central differential, which allows you to move in 4x4 mode on asphalt, a privilege of richer versions. The cross pieces of the cardan shaft require regular maintenance, extrusion. Replacement of the cross pieces may be necessary after 200,000 kilometers. After 200 to 300,000 kilometers, the CV joint of the front drive shaft may fail. In some cases, the transfer case becomes a victim of a leaky oil seal, which was not detected in time. Running dry destroys bearings. Occasionally, it was possible to update the chain. Each front wheel has 2 transverse levers, upper and lower. Both levers have ball joints which can wear out after 50 to 100,000 kilometers. Silent blocks also become unusable from time to time. After 150 to 200,000 kilometers, the front wheel bearing may make noise or backlash. A little later, you may need to revise the front brake calipers. They begin to wedge due to piston corrosion. Springs are installed on the rear axle. They can sag or burst one of the sheets after 200 to 250,000 kilometers. It is worth noting that the degree of pickup load affects the spring resource. Mitsubishi L200 body corrosion is nothing special. Traces of rust can be found under the lining, on the bottom, and frame. The frame number is located in the rear right wheel area. Measures to protect it from corrosion will not be superfluous. The steering wheel noticeably deteriorates by 200 to 250,000 kilometers, and closer to 250,000 kilometers, the steering column cable may fail. Soon, the heater motor may make noise or the generator starts to fail. Sometimes electrical wiring also causes problems. The contacts are damaged or oxidized. If you know of other model malfunctions, be sure to write about it.